Hi, I'm Diana. Force Factor sent me their NAD product in return for this video, and I want to share my thoughts on it because I'm over 60 and anything anti-aging is super important. I want to hear all about it, and everyone's talking about NAD, so why? Let's go over some of the features. What's really great about this product, it's a 7-in-1 formula. It has 7 different things in here to help with youthfulness and vitality. Okay, I could go over all the scientific names of the product ingredients in here. There's really 7 key things in here that you need to know about. But for the most part, what you should know is that they're all about youthful vitality, cellular health, and that's all critical, right, to slow down the aging process as best you can. It's also going to help with cognitive support in your energy levels and fighting fatigue that we all get as we get older. There are antioxidants in here, things that will help against environmental damage that breaks down our cells. And these capsules are fast dissolving, so they're going to get into your bloodstream really quickly. They're not going to just sit around. They're going to get to work, which is what we want, right? So if you're looking for a great NAD product that you can trust, it's going to do something for you. Definitely check this out by Force Factor.